Alright, so here I have a Bentley with a dead battery, and I'll show you how I'm going to do to access the battery, which is hidden in the trunk and which won't open unless you have some electricity running around the car. First thing first is opening the trunk, the hood. As usual, you have the lever over here. Not so usual, you have the second lever over here. Once you're in, you remove this plastic cover. Then you have a 10mm bolt over here. So over here, beneath this plastic over here, you will find connections. You put the booster on it. You're supposed to have electricity. There is another 10mm bolt over here, which you will use for, first you remove it, then you use this plug for your ground. And this one right here for your positive. And electricity. Finally.